Hi there, Mike here from CurrentWare, and I'm going to show you how to set up an idle alert. First, go to BrowseReporter, Manage, then go to the third option here for Email Alerts. If you do have any alerts already set up, it will show in this list. Go to New Alert to configure an alert. Give it a relevant name. Set up the email account that you want the emails to get sent out to. Select Idle. Here it'll give you the opportunity to select what days and what time period you want the idle alerts to go out between. So we have Monday to Friday between 9 to 5 automatically selected. You can set it up so that only the first time a user goes idle, you'll receive this, or you can get it on each instance that they go idle. The idle trigger is the amount of time that the user is idle for. A good example here might be if they have 30-minute lunches and you want to make sure that people are abiding by that, you can enter something like 35 or even 40 minutes to ensure that your users are taking their breaks appropriately. Make sure to select under the Computers tab here. This is where you'll select your PCs. You have the ability to select all of your groups or individual groups. So I'm going to select my accounting team. It will automatically select all of the users within the accounting PCs. Select, and then save the alert. Once you save the alert, you should see the alert that you just set up under the email alerts main screen.